seen a valuable black market item. Some like titanium white dueling dragons.
3C in the family, nigga. Shots catching bodies, nigga. On me, nigga. On the gang.
Yo, what's good with y'all boys? Back again with another video. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, I'll be doing a pack opening today. And after we open all the packs, I'm also going to do some trade ups. Right now we have enough for one black market trade up, but hopefully we can get more items to do more. So stay tuned to the end. Let's get right into it. Alright, starting off with the uncommon drops. Don't expect anything good from these, but just to get it out the way. Warm us up a little bit. Start off a fire helmet. Alright, next drop, come on. Triton. A Triton decal. Who uses a Triton in 2023? Hydro boost. Not bad for uncommon. Got some confetti. Alright, as expected. Nothing good from the uncommon drops. Got 24 rare drops to go through now. Get some a little better maybe. Starting off for rare. For a card that I don't even have. Another rare. Some of the ugliest wheels in the game. Come on, I need something good. I need at least one thing good from these rare drops. Not no lucky stars. Another rare. Some terrible wheels. Alright, come on. Import? Okay. Gray breakout. Looks exactly the same as the regular one. I've never seen this though. Gray breakout. It's interesting. Now, come on, I need something better than that though. Not another rare. Another pair of terrible wheels. Alright, come on. Very rare. Some frostbite. Rocket boost. Another item I will never use. Import again? Come on. Some Stella wheels. How is even import? There's no way. It should be uncommon. Another rare again. Mr. Hot Pepper. Who made this? Whoever made this needs to be fired. No one's wearing toppers above gold. Some more boosts I will never use. Got some furry topper. Wow. Not looking so good. And a pigeon banner. I swear I got like 1,000. I have 1,000 of those in my lifetime. I traded all of them up. Okay. Got another import. That shouldn't be import. Endo MG88. It's not a bad decal when it's on the Octane. Got some slime line decal. It's alright. Looks like a sweaty design. Alright, 10 drops left. I need something good. At least one thing from these rare drops. And we'll get ripped comic. They're getting my hopes up with these imports. Thinking I'm gonna get something good. Another rare. silver type boost. Black Dices maybe? Get some Yuzo. The day I pull Black Dices, man. Get the happiest man on there. Another terrible wheels. And a terrible name. Like, who's naming these and creating these wheels? Y'all need to do better. Another very rare. We get the same wheels. Didn't want it the first time and I don't want it the second time. Got my last 5. Got a camo paint finish. Ah. Import? Come on. What's with these trash wheels, bro? Like, who is making these? They need to hire me or something. There's no way those should be imports. Very rare. Get a Roblox type boost. Like, come on, man. Last 2. Need something good. That's not something good. Some Shibuya. Alright, last drop. Last rare drop, man. And we get a rare. And now this game's just doing me dirty. It's all good though. Now we got some very rare drops. Have some high hopes for these ones. Oh my god. I'm gonna have the worst. I'm gonna have the ugliest wheel collection at the end of this pack open in the history of Rocket League. Come on, bro. Dot matrix. Got the Takumi Vector. I would use this if I was gold. Back when I mained it. I mained the Takumi. Another dot matrix for the breakout. Come on, 3 left. I need something good. Why would I ever use that card? Come on, man. Let me get that aftershock. One of the worst cards in the game. Alright, final drop. Come on. That's actually crazy. I got more import items from the rare drops than the very rare drops. Yeah, how does that even make sense? It's all good though. That's what we all are here for. The import drop. If I pull a black market right now, y'all gotta like and sub. Right now. Come on. I'm disappointed. This is how we end the drop. The pack open. Alright, Sonics, I see how you want to do me. It's okay though, we got these trade ups right here. Got a guaranteed black market at the end. Let's get through these uncommons real quick. Get these out the way. EKG trail. Get Mr. Hot Pepper out of here. Not gonna trade my anodize. Gonna keep those. Okay, none good. Alright, on to the exotic. Okay. Not gonna trade this up actually. I want to keep my mercs. They're too valuable to me. Alright, turn the items now. Get these out the way real quick. Don't care about none of these items. Never seen this decal before. I had to check it out after. There are these toilet papers. Money wheels. Okay. Alright, this right here can save the whole video. Seen a valuable black market item. Some like titanium white dueling dragons. Orbital gold explosion. Doesn't look too bad. Let's check it out real quick. Let's see where it's at. Filter this real quick. Didn't mean to do that. It's not bad. I should use that. Best thing we got this whole video. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Probably the worst pack opening to ever exist on YouTube. It's all good though. Still fun to do. And I hope y'all did enjoy. And please drop a like and sub if you did. I'm gonna try to do one of these like at least once at the end of every season. Hopefully get something better next time. But I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Catch y'all boys in the next one.
I'm up and I blink just like fuck it. I'm shooting, I'm scoring a bucket. I'm locking, I'm loading, I'm clutching. If I shoot and I'm missing, you lucky.